recent update in Google Play Store states that when the shutter button on the device is pressed either manually on the device or in the dynamic preview of the application, the captured photo will be saved in high resolution. Users can now also pinch to expand the application. To do so, touch Edit on any of your clips and pinch to see more closely. Google Clips is a hands-free AI camera that debuted last year with the promise of taking short videos of memorable moments among your friends, family and pets. The device has a fixed focus f/2.4 lens with a 130-degree wide-angle view. In our review of the device, we noticed that the purpose of the clips is to allow the camera to take automatic photographs anywhere it is placed, but the poor quality of the image makes it difficult to trust that you take the photos yourself. Updating clips today could alleviate some quality problems, although you will still have to control when the camera will take the picture. The camera cost $249 and went on sale in January.